Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BMW M5 from Paperful Guide. Gather materials: cardstock, scissors, craft knife, glue, ruler, bone folder, and coloring tools. Start by printing templates and cutting precise parts. Score folds lightly and assemble chassis first to keep alignment. Use tabs and small amounts of glue for clean bonds. Add layered panels for bodywork, windows, and wheels. Take breaks to check symmetry and proportions. Begin the construction by assembling the chassis and internal frame to guarantee a rigid base and correct proportions. Follow with wheel hubs and suspension pieces so wheels align and spin freely. Carefully attach doors and panels using tabs and minimal glue to preserve crisp edges. Reinforce key joints where stress occurs, then apply paints or markers for trim and headlights. Finally, add small decals, mirrors, and final touches to complete the BMW M5 appearance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I found its simple advice surprisingly calming when budgeting for hobby projects. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want it. Now let's get back to the video. Work slowly and keep parts organized in numbered piles to avoid confusion during assembly. Use a bone folder or back of a knife to crisp folds and maintain straight edges for better joins. When gluing, apply thin lines and press parts on a flat surface to avoid gaps and warping. Trim tiny tabs for snug fits and test fit pieces before final glue. Patience and steady hands will transform paper into a convincing BMW M5 model.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.